that concoction, man. Smell like strawberry soup.
Bitch, I'm having them checks, and you know I got next. I ain't never.
He said that it started up at his house the other day, so we finna go straight in and go off his settings and see where we at. YouTube, hey, welcome back. Today, it's a lovely morning, man. The sun just came up. Y'all know how I love to do it. I love to praise the morning, praise the day. But anyway, I got something special for y'all today. All my KTM lovers, where you at? All my KTM riders, where you at? Anyway, today, I got a 125 back outside. We trying to get it back on and rolling. It's bogging. But today, we finna get all that cleared out, man. We might open up this car, rebuild it, clean it out fully. I'm talking about fully. Every jet, oh, it's a deal over there. Like I said, man, today we on this 125 XX. So, hey, man, everybody who loves those orange, those bright bikes going through the woods, this one for y'all, man. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Bitch, I'm having them checks, and you know I got next. I ain't never gon' stress. Heard your nigga a flex, so I pull up with VV diamonds, got no dripping and shiny on leg. I need your love like a nigga need money. Bring it back, baby, don't take this shit from me. Your love like a nigga need money. Bring it back, baby, don't take this shit from me. I need your love on deck. I just open your text. Till you done with your head. Try to blow up some stress like I need your love on deck.
All right, guys, so like I said, we just dumped that gas out, right? And I'm gonna go back with the 40-1. Now, shout out my boy Dirt and Iron over there. He's somewhere over there, Australia, somewhere like that. But I see him run the clock in the KTM, and he said it did him right. So, you on that 40-1, we're gonna do 1 gallon right there, as you see. And we gonna get to that 40-1 gallon. Right at that gallon mark, right? Yeah, y'all see that concoction, man? Smell like strawberry soup. Good thing. Be here wrong with that, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hey, dog, y'all over there? See? Alright, y'all. That's that tapped in, man. We finna run it back over there to the bike, drop it in the gas tank, and after that, man, I don't know. We hope it crank up. So hit that like, subscribe, man. I'm bringing it to y'all. Alright, guys, so we finna see where it's at. This is about to be the first attempt to crank it up with the settings that he got originally in it. He said that it started up at his house the other day, so we finna go straight in and go off his settings and see where we at with it. Only thing I did was change the gas mixture from 32 to 40-1. Give it a little prime. See what we get. See what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up that air screw. We're gonna go out a little bit real quick. Guys, so in here we got the right size jets, the OEM spec size that they want you to run, and he took out his original pilot jet and put a new one in there. So I'm gonna check out that main and that pilot and make sure we're in the right standings. Let's go ahead and see what this goddamn main jet was talking about. Let's see what we got up there. This is a 182. Definitely don't want him in there. He had a 182 in there. We need a 185 between the 190. So I do have it holding idle, as you see. It's holding idle. But I'm gonna just let it warm up a little bit more, because I think every time it get warmed up and the gas get to hit the top end, it's rich and it's bogging it down. Right up under here in the back, right before your air boot, you got the little air screw right here. So KTM is telling me OEM spec is 1.5 out. So if you don't know, that's 1.5 out. So let me see, we still going. That's closed. Alright guys, we inside, so first thing we finna do, we gonna ahead and pop this carb off. We gotta get it off, man. My boy is, my boy been toasty on this screw. I might got something in for you, brother. I gotta replace that one. Let's go ahead and pop this carb off. It is what it is, y'all. I gotta take the carb off, make sure ain't no dirt, cause this, before I tune and get jets right and all that, we gotta make sure ain't nothing broke on the inside. It could be a jet cracked off, anything, dirt, specks, but, so just take it off, man. So yeah, I already went in there. We pulled that carb up out of there. I checked on my throttle, the clip position in the right position. Cleaned it up a little bit, but yes sir, so as you see, I got the carb over here in a bath, really over here in the sink. I have the other component, the choke over there cleaned out. Floats, you know what I'm saying? We got the jet sitting in there and the deep sea cooler getting cleaned right now. So yeah, man, I'm just going through the basics of tearing down the carb, cleaning it out, everything we can possibly go over and make sure we clean. Gotta get through them holes to blow some air through their necks. So yeah, man, this is what we doing. We are working on that KTM 125, like I said, and we trying to get it back running. Found one thing, now I see why this is ate up real bad. So the air screw is getting stuck. I've been trying to unscrew it. I see he been trying to unscrew it and get it open, and when I turn, it gets no real out. I'm not trying to break it off, but I'm gonna tell him, listen, we might gotta go new carb, but until then, I'm gonna just work around it. I guess I can screw it in a couple of, but I don't know, man, y'all tell me. Yeah, I was also on YouTube looking up certain little things about the bike, so I went ahead and took the little CDI box off and cleaned it out. They said these ports usually disconnect, and when I did go in there, his wire was kind of loose. So this is the connector right there. And as you see, it's a mass load of dirt all throughout this. So yeah, I got in here, cleaned that up pretty good. So now I gotta get it around. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned out for real good. But yeah, man, if you got a 125 XX, make sure you check under your seat, your CDI box. It clips right there. As you see, you got that little clipping spot. And sometimes over the time around, guess what happens? It comes loose. Got that car back in there, that quick in position. Look, man, all you do is take these two bolts out on both sides, man. You don't loosen your plastic, so when you lift it, you don't crack your plastic. And then boom, just a little, just enough will make it get loose for you to pull your carb out and put it in. So as you see, we got it back in there now. I'm gonna put my throttle cable back in there, and then I'm gonna close it down. All right, carb back on. So we're gonna screw down these boots. Make sure no leaky coming by. All right, we good. All right, y'all, CDI box, strap back on. Spark plug connected. I should have checked that spark. My boy did leave a fresh spark plug on his door for me. Okay. know what time it is. As y'all see, it's back running. I just cleaned the carb out, played with the jet, went up on the main. The best thing I did, I went OEM. Follow your manual recommendations, y'all. Oh, that was weak. Hold on, we had a gas. Oh, I ain't had a gas on y'all. Now, the real though, y'all, I appreciate y'all staying tapped in this vlog. If you enjoyed today's content, if you learned something about a